Millions of years ago, before the world began, the world was just black water with no purpose. From this darkness rose the primordial hill known as Benben. On this hill sat Adam. Adam saw the emptiness around him and gave birth to Shu and Tefnut by the children Geb and Nut. Geb and Nut had Osiris, Isis, Set, Nephthys, and Horus as children. Adam let Osiris rule the world, and Osiris married Isis.
Osiris ruled the world in harmony along with Isis.
I'm going to rule the universe, so the last thing I do.
Set hosted a banquet with Osiris and others. He said that whoever could fit inside the chest would get it. Of course, Osiris fit inside perfectly. Set threw it in the river. Osiris was proclaimed dead, and Set ruled the world. Isis, however, searched for him and eventually found him and brought him to Egypt. Then she looked for the herbs that would bring him back to life. While she was gone, Set cut Osiris' body into pieces and threw them out all over Egypt. Isis looked throughout the country. Eventually she found the body parts. She brought Osiris back to life and became pregnant with Horus, the younger one. I want to battle you, Set. If I win, you will be banished to the Redlands.
Who are you?
I am your nephew, Horus.
I will crush you like a mortal.
He became king of the gods, but his eye was torn out.
Horus, I can fix your eye. You can?
There are many versions of this myth. In some, the moon eye is torn out and it caused the waxing and waning of the moon and then being restored. The eye became a symbol of re-establishment of order from chaos. One of the myths said that Horus made a gift out of the eye and gave it to Osiris. He ate it and was restored to life. The eye also became a symbol of life and resurrection because of that. Another myth said that it was the sun eye that got torn out, and it represents the solar eclipse. The eye of Horus was believed to have healing and protective powers, and it was used as a protective amulet. It was also used as a measurement system, mainly for measuring ingredients in medicines and pigments. The symbol was divided into 6 parts, representing the shattering of Horus's eye into 6 pieces. Each piece was associated with one of the 6 senses and a specific fraction. More complex fractions were created by adding the symbols together. An interesting thing is that when you add all the pieces together, it is not 1. It is 63 64ths. Some people think that the extra 1/64th was the magic that Thoth used to restore Horus's eye. Others think the missing piece was meant that the perfection was not possible. However, it could just be for convenience. It allowed them to deal with common fractions quickly, and they already had the symbol for 1.